I can do this all day. Before we get started, does anyone want to get out? I'm just a kid from Brooklyn.
If you're gonna fight a war, you gotta wear a uniform.
So no matter what, I promise you, if you need us, if you need me, I'll be there.